Hi, what's up guys? Today I will be showing you how you can generate this PS5 3D mockup with Instagram filter. So first thing first, you need to install Instagram and make sure you have registered your Instagram account. So over at the Instagram, you will need to search or follow this Instagram account. So over at the search, look for AR on everything. So once you have found the AR on everything Instagram account, open up the account. So you have the choice whether to follow this Instagram account. So once you are at AR on everything account, scroll down and look for the smiley button. So click on the smiley button and you will be prompted with a camera menu. So to try this filter on Instagram, click on the try it button. So once you have clicked try it, click on the PS5 button, then the mockup PS5 box will then appear over on your camera. So you will have the choice whether to resize and rotate the PS5 box. So from our experience, try to match the shadows and the lighting of the box with your environment for best effects. So once you have done with setting up your PS5 mockup box, you will have the option to save the photo or post the photo over at the Instagram. We hope that the tutorial has been informational. Thank you and have a nice day.